Isn't this the most spectacular thing you've ever seen? I think that the landscape here with these incredible mountains and these little houses sort of tucked in all the little corners, and then the sea coming up with these fabulous beaches. Really, this is the most beautiful place on earth. You could go to Amalfi. Amalfi is very, very beautiful. But what you're going to find there is a lot of crowds and a lot of tourists, a lot of expensive food, and probably not as good food, because I don't think they'd be able to keep up with the demand for fresh fish pulled out of the sea and all these other things that that make southern Italy so special. Here it's unspoiled. Here it's the real Italy, and here you can see it's seriously so beautiful and so romantic. You know, for a honeymoon spot, it's a no-brainer. And I think I could listen to the sea all day long.